Good morning, students. Today we will go for the practice set, that is 7.2, question number 4. In the last video, we have seen the 7.2 question number 1, 2, 3. Okay, we have completed question number 1, 2, and 3. In this video, we will complete the question number 4, 5, and 6. Okay, the first question is that write the symbols, write the following statement using symbol operation. First question is that the wavelength of sound L and its frequency F are in inverse variation. In the last video, we have seen how to write the statement in the inverse variation. First one is that the wavelength of the sound, that means given the symbol as L, is and the frequency, that is F. And that is inverse proportion, that is we will put the first we will give the symbol and I will write in inverse proportion, that is frequency, that is F. So the first equation will be I equal to L inversely proportional to 1 by F. This is the first statement. Only we have to write the following statement using symbol operation. But that much we have to write. In the question number 2, the intensity I of light varies the inversely. Intensity of light, that is denoted by I, is inversely proportional to what? The square of the distance d. With the square of the distance d, that is d square. So the question was, the intensity of the light I is inversely proportional with the square of the distance d of the screen from the lamp. So that is the question number 2. Only we have to frame that relation. Now question number 5. X is inversely proportional to under root of 1. That is, X is inversely proportional to 1 upon 1. So, and when X is equal to 14 and Y is equal to 16. Now, see here. Let's first find out the constant. We will take out this sign from operation. That is, X is equal to K into 1 upon root 1. Okay. So, X is equal to K upon root 1. That will cross multiply here. So X into root Y is equal to K. Okay. So now what is the value given here? That X is equal to 40 and Y is equal to 16. Next is X is equal to 10 and Y is equal to 5. So first we find out the constant of this variation. Therefore, X is 40 into root Y, that is root. What is the value of Y here? That is equal to 16, that is equal to K. So 40 in 16 is the square of 4. So take out the square root first. 4 square, that is equal to K. So 40 into 4, that is equal to K. The square of 16 is 4 square. After taking out the square root, we got the value 4. So what is the answer? 4 4 is 16. And once here we will add here 160, that is equal to K. So we got the value of constant, that is equal to K. So next, what is the second thing is that X is given as 10 and we have to find as Y here. So what is the equation? What is the equation? Equation X into root Y, that is equal to K. This is our equation. So I put the value of X and constant. We have to find the value of Y here. So I put the value of X, that is 10, into root Y, and constant we got here as 116. So I put the values here of X and K. Then we find the value of root Y. So root Y is equal to 160 divided by 10. y is equal to 4. So this is the value of y. So this is our question number 5. 5 completed. So now go for question number 5. 6. Sorry. Question number 6. What is the question number 6 here? X varies universally as a y. When x is equal to 15, then y is equal to 10. If x is equal to 10, 20, then y we have to find out. So we'll do here. So what is the equation? X varies, question number 6. X varies universally to the y. And where to find out this constant here? X is equal to k into 1 upon 1. So that is x1 is equal to k. So this is our equation number 1. So we put the value of x is given as 15. X हमारे पास 15 है, y हमारे पास 10 है. The first condition and then we have to find the constant here, that is 15 10, that is equal to k, that 150 is equal to k. So we find out the value of k now, that is equal to 150. Now second condition is given that x is equal to 20 and y we have to find. So what is the equation here? X1 is equal to k. Xy is equal to k. So x is given as 20. Y we have to find k is what here? 150. Okay. So what is the y here? Y is equal to 150 divided by 20. So now 0 0 gets cancelled. So you got the value of y 15 upon answer will be 7.5. So what is the value of y here? That is equal to 7.5. So write here decimal. Now you can see that is the half of the 15, that is equal to 7.5. This get our practice set 7.2 completed. Okay. So now some short example is there in the textbook. So that only I will make you to understand. So this get our question number 6. You can see it with the. So in question number, these are the short example depending upon the time, work, and speed. So short example, first one. If 15 women finish the work of harvesting a groundnut crop in 8 days, find the number of women if the job is to be completed in 6 days. So first we will calculate what is this proportion minute, that is in the inverse variation. That means the number of days required to finish a job is inversely proportional to the number of women employed. है ना? तो कितने numbers यहाँ पे numbers of women यहाँ पे कितने उन्होंने काम करने के लिए लिया है? So that will be D is proportional to 1 upon N. So here, so D क्या consider किया है? Number of days. And what is N? N is the number of women. Okay. So we write here D is inversely proportional to 1 by N. So what is that? I say D is inversely proportional to 1 by N. That means D and is equal to, or we can write K is 1 by N. So D is equal to K by N. So Dn is equal to K. Okay. So D means days and N means number of workers. So Dn is equal to K. So what is the first condition here? What is given here? That is number of women are 15 and is given as 50. And days are given as 8. So we can find out the value of K here. That is is 8 into 15, that is equal to K. So 15 8 that is equal to how much? 120, that is equal to K. got 15 into 8, that is equal to 120. So we got the value of constant here. And second condition is that, so 6 days is given, we have to find the number of women here. So that is, and we have to find here. So in second condition, number of days that is equal to 6, and it's given as 6, and we have to find your days. So what is our equation? dn is equal to k. So d into n is equal to k. So d we have to take out, and n we know that 6, and we got the value of k as 120. So d is equal to 120 divided by 6. So what are the days here? 6 to the 12, that is 20. So number of days that is equal to 20. This is your solved example, question number 1. So 20 women should be employed to finish the work in 6 days. Okay, this is the question number 1. Question number 2, a vehicle running at a speed of 48 km per hour takes 6 hours to complete the journey. How much time will be taken to complete the journey if its speed is 72 km per hour? So it is in the inverse relation again. So let us we say that the speed of the vehicle to be considered as S and the time to be considered as a T. So what does say here? S is inversely proportional to the time. So we write here S is inversely proportional to 1 upon T. So we don't know this time, so I write it S is equal to K into 1 upon T. So SP is equal to K. This is our equation. So what is given in this first, that that is S is given as 48 and T is given as time taken is given as 6. So here S is equal to 48 and time is given as 6. So we find the constant here, that is equal to 48 into 6, that is equal to K. So we multiply 8 6, that is equal to 48. So carry 6 4 are 24, 24 plus 4, that is equal to 28. The value of constant is 288. So okay, now what is the second condition here? How much time will be taken to complete the journey if its speed is 72 kilometers? That means T we have to find here, and as speed is given as 72 kilometers per hour. So our equation is S P is equal to K. So what is the value of S? That is equal to 72 into T. We have to find K is given as 288. Okay, so value of T is equal to 288 divided by 72. So we got the answer, that is 4. So 4 hours. Okay, take our solved example 1 and 2 to be completed. Now you complete the exercise 7.2 and this solved example in your copy. So bye all of you. Have a nice day. Thank you.